How to add audio in card.co. So just go ahead and enter the website itself or wherever you want to enter card.co, and just go to whichever card or site you're going to add this audio to. In our case, it's going to be a blank page with some random words, but you're going to have to navigate to here, which is add an element, and just press on the audio element. As you can see, there's going to be accepted URLs in the following formats. You can put in an AudioMac URL, a Bandcamp, you have Google Drive, Mixcloud, and SoundCloud. So in our case, we're just gonna go with our Google Drive. So we're gonna put our audio here in our Google Drive, and we're just gonna go ahead and copy it as a link. So copy link, and we're gonna put in the link here as a URL, and then just go ahead and press on done. So here's our Google Drive link that we copied. Press on done. Now it's gonna look like this at first, but you're just gonna have to wait since it's just loading in our case. But you can go ahead and choose whichever setting you want for it already. You can change its appearance, width, and other settings that you're allowed to, since there is a lock setting over here which you are gonna have to unlock with Pro Plus, but there's still some available options you can choose from, like allowing background play. But this is pretty much it. As the audio file, you can put in an MP3 file for your Google Drive, but in our case we just put in an MP4 and it should just show as a video. But if you want, you can put it as an MP3 file. You can download your audio file and put it on the available URLs that is accepted in card.co. But that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.